Hi, I'm Q, your digital water assistant at Qatium. Today, I'll show you how to optimize your flushing operations in Qatium using unidirectional flushing. You'll always find me here, at the bottom left of the screen if you need any assistance. First, let's review the advantages of unidirectional flushing. To keep water systems running efficiently, unidirectional flushing forces water in a single direction, increasing velocity and improving pipe cleaning. This helps to enhance water quality, reduce water waste and improve flow rates. This is possible with the flushing plugin in Qatium, available with Pro, Business, and Enterprise plans. For any questions or help with your plan, we're here to assist you anytime. After logging into Qatium and completing the steps to design a flushing sequence, select a valve next to the main you plan to flush. Toggle the valve to closed. Lower the demand in the demand spike panel to the minimum value required for your target main to maintain an optimal velocity. If necessary, repeat this process for other neighboring valves connected to the target main. In addition to changing hydrant demands, Qatium will display optimal and non-optimal flushing velocities and levels of discoloration risk. The system will highlight pipes with a velocity between 5 feet per second and 10 feet per second in green to show that they are optimal for flushing. Qatium identifies pipes at risk of discoloration by checking flow and velocity, marking them orange. To see how customers are affected, turn on the pressure layer. To clear the values, simply press the reset button. If you want to create a new scenario, use the trash can button in the Network Versions panel. I hope this guide was helpful. See you in the next video.